Hello, AP Chemers. Welcome to the first AP Chem presentation of the 25-26 AP Chem school year. Yay! This video has the following learning targets. By the end of it, you should be able to describe yourself to me. You should be able to describe yourself to peers and make a connection, and list one fact about me. So I like to start this way because I do believe that connection is important. I believe we all do better when we all do better, especially in this class. As I've been teaching this class for the last 4 years, I know that students, from experience, that students who work together and students who learn together end up doing a lot better in the end than students who work by themselves. And so connection is important, and so if we're going to work with other people, we need to get to know other people as we can moving along the way. So we're going to start with this lesson, which is the very beginnings of making connections. Certainly it's not going to make you all best friends in the first 5 minutes, but it's going to start getting us to know one another a little bit better. So I'll start with me. Here's some things that I'd like you to know about me. First thing I'd like you to know about me is that I was born and grew up. I was born on July 12th, 1977. So that means over this summer I am turning 45 years old. Dang, closer to 50 than 40. This is getting rough. Anyway, that's that. In a town called Elkhorn, Wisconsin, which is down here in the southeast corner of Wisconsin, almost in Illinois, for those of you who need a little bearings. Chicago's here, Milwaukee's there, Madison's there, and the Twin Cities are up here. So again, if you draw kind of a triangle with Madison, Milwaukee, and Chicago and go in the middle of it, that's where I grew up. It was a small town, about 10,000 people, with cities within an hour. This is a picture of me as a baby. You'll notice I always had a double chin, so don't call me fatty. This is me as a toddler age. This is me growing up. I was a nerdy tween. And then this is me at my junior prom. Some of you this year will be doing that. Some of you did it last year. But anyway, this is me and my date at junior prom. Interesting story about Janine. Janine was dating a guy she was a good friend of mine. She was dating a guy who was 26 at the time. And then she ended up marrying a guy who was like 8 years younger than us. So regardless, she apparently just doesn't like guys her own age. And this is me with my mom at graduation. So you know that at least, at a minimum, you have a high school graduate teaching this course. After high school, I went to college. I did my undergrad at the University of Wisconsin at Madison. So this is a building on campus. These are some of my best friends. We dressed up as the Scooby-Doo gang for Halloween. This is me and my best friend Brian, who was the best man in my wedding. We saw a lot of Badger sports when we were growing up. And then this is me over here the day I graduated. So you know you have a college graduate teaching this course, and we don't speak about that picture right there. After college, I moved to Minnesota, got married, and had 2 kids, and lived happily ever after. That was 25 years ago. This is my 26th year as a science teacher and my 10th year at Apple Valley High School. This photo here is me of the summer I moved to Apple Valley, 2001. And then this was my wedding. This is my cousin. She apparently was having a very good time. And these are when my 2 girls were born. You'll see in the next slide that they're much bigger now. This is my family. This obviously right here is me. This is my wife, Sarah. She worked most of her life in human resources, but is starting a new career now. This is my older daughter, Maren. She is about to start her senior year at the University of Minnesota in nursing. She wants to do pediatrics, either oncology or emergency room. This is my younger daughter, Piper. She is going to be a sophomore at Penn State. And she is in broadcast journalism and media studies. And then this is my boy Blue. He's 20 pounds of awesomeness, and he's my schnauzer. And I love him very much, and he's the best. This is my extended family. This picture is now about 10 years old, but I keep putting it in because some of the people in this picture we've since lost since that time. So this is the picture that I have of my entire family. I have a brother and 3 sisters, and everybody has children, and we're big, and some of these children are not having children. It's crazy. Things about me, I really like hanging out with my family and doing stuff. I like playing with my dog. I like relaxing and napping. Been taking some good naps here this summer. I enjoy listening to music. I'm a sports fan, so I enjoy the Badgers and the Packers because that's where I grew up and went to college. But I have become a Twins fan as well. And I also, in the summer, I casually follow other Minnesota franchises like the Wild and the Loons and the T-Wolves. I also enjoy working around the house. That's kind of my summer job, is getting tasks done around our house. I'm a personal finance nerd, so I kind of like learning about what to do with your money if you have it, and so that it does good things for you in the future. And last but not least, I do like hanging out with new friends. This picture here is not me hanging out with a new friend. This is my favorite picture of me milking a goat. And this is at the Minnesota Zoo. And a couple weeks after this, I got to milk a cow at the state fair. And so I oftentimes, like if you go to a conference or a thing and they're doing get to know you games, sometimes they'll be like, tell us something interesting about yourself. And I always use, I milked 2 different animals in a 2-week period, which works really well unless you're at a farm conference. And then if you're at a farm conference, nobody's impressed by that at all. So that's a little bit about me. You're welcome to ask more questions if you have them along the way. But I just wanted to give you a little introduction as to who I am. So now it's your turn. In Schoology, you will find a quiz unit in the Unit 1 lesson, or Unit 0 Lesson 1 folder. Introduce yourself to me. It's just 5 quick questions to let me know a little about you personally and as a learner. And then, all right, so your last task for this first lesson is to introduce yourself to the class. You're going to make a quick video that introduces you to the class. Make sure your name is clearly said in the video. The video should be more than 15 seconds, less than 1 minute. And then you're just going to post that to the Unit 1 Lesson 1, introduce yourself to the class discussion in Schoology by June 30th. So make sure that those are posted there, because after June 30th, people are going to go in and they're going to start watching your videos between June 30th and the first day of school. And you're going to go ahead and watch other people's videos and add 1 comment to each person, telling them something you have in common with them. And that's what I got. Welcome to AP Chemistry.